These are two little chocolate and white girls. They are super friendly, super happy little girls. There's the one. See her. And there's the other one going to Grandma. As you can see, our puppies are really well socialized. They're very friendly. They love everybody. They're just happy, joyous little cutie pies. Hi, there you are. There's the other one. There's the other one. Are these not the cutest little things? Look how cute. Look how cute you are. Look how cute you are. Oh my goodness. You just somersault. Oh, that one. Oh. Okay. Went too far? Nope. Now you're going to come back? Okay. Come out here where I can see you. Come up here where I can see you. There you go. Come on. No, you gonna pat my toe? No, get my toe kisses. Get my toe kisses. Well, that's the two little chocolate and white girls. That's the two little chocolate and white girls. See, we'll see you soon.